this. Tire. I'm like, oh, in that damn tire. Oh, yeah. Like, it honestly becomes a really scenario. Like, oh my gosh, every time I flip over. It could be because I put the punch up, but I don't think so. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. I can't believe the truck took the freaking beating. I can't believe it took that beating. I was like, when it did that jump, I was like, holy hell. Wait. I bet your butt something broke in there, so I gotta look. See what. Alrighty, let's try this thing again. Come here. Again. You're being a nuisance to me today. Which is really, really stupid. I bet your butt I chopped it in half. Cause I remember this happened to the son of a digger, and it was like pretty much the exact same result. I snapped that axle in half and it took it down. I was like, yep, pretty right. So I think I wonder if the problem is that in here, but I don't think so. But after that, you can see after I tighten that tire up, it works like perfectly. That's a nice turn. Oh my God. There we go. Look at that. Full 2S run without it breaking. Nice.